Okay, good morning mga kabrad at mga followers and friends. No? So dito tayo ating interview ang ating cadet officer ng USM ROTC unit, si Cadet Colonel Dayundoy. Okay, ano ba ang benefits makukuha mo pag mag-cadet officer?
So, ang mga benefits na makukuha natin kapag naging advanced cadet officer tayo is makakakuha tayo ng incentives or yung SA na scholar ng ROTC.
Subsistence allowance?
Yes, sir. Tapos yung magiging physically fit ka. And then, matutunan natin about sa military manner, about sa military honor ng ating armed forces of the Philippines, tradition ng mga military. Paano tayo maging madisiplina sa daily life natin as a ROTC officer.
Yes, okay. At nare-develop yung leadership potential as a future leader ng ating Armed Forces of the Philippines. Okay, so congratulations sa ating future leader ng ating Armed Forces.